Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Monica here. Today I am going to do 3 different bun hairstyle using bun stick or chopstick, and these are very beautiful and you can do it with medium or long hair. Without further ado, now let's get into the video. Before starting off, I am combing out my hair and detangling it. Hold your hair like low ponytail and wrap your hair over your right hand and twist it upwards and keep twisting it. Now I have long hair, so I have some rest of the hair left, but anyways we will tuck it in, don't worry. If you have medium hair, here itself your hair will be set. As you can see, it has formed like a French bun. Very simple, just you have to twist it and take it up, and now use the bun stick to secure it. Now twist the remaining hair and tuck it in the French bun. You can also use some bobby pins to keep the remaining hair secure inside the bun, but this itself makes sure that the remaining hair doesn't come out. And that's it for our first hairstyle. It looks little complicated and you have done lot of effort, but it's very easy and very cute also. And now for our second hairstyle, I'm going to tie my hair in a ponytail. Now insert the stick in the middle of the ponytail, and now divide your hair into 2 sections. Now I am taking one section of hair and taking it under the stick above, and the other section of hair, and that also I am going to take it under the stick below. And now the remaining 2 sections we are just going to wrap it around the stick. Now tuck the hair ends into the bun. If you have layered hair, it won't stay, then you can use like 1 or 2 bobby pins to make sure that ends doesn't come out. And that's it for our second hairstyle. This is how the hairstyle looks. This hairstyle you can wear it all day long. It is the most secured hairstyle. It won't come out at all, and it looks different also. You can also add some flower if you are wearing it on a traditional wear, and it looks awesome. And now for the third hairstyle, I am going to separate the top half section of my hair and do a small twist bun. And now secure this bun using a bun stick. Divide the remaining hair into two sections. Now take one section of hair and wrap it around the bun in the opposite direction and tuck in the ends into the bun. And now take the remaining section of hair, wrap it around the bun and secure the ends into the bun. You can also use some bobby pins if you need, and this is like a different twist to the normal bun that we do, and it looks nice and it is also very secured. This also will stay all day long. And this is our last hairstyle. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to watch more hairstyle videos, let me know in the comment section. I would love to do. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. Love you all. Be safe.